Hello बच्चों, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine. Let's start the new chapter, Our Family. My family is my proud. So आपकी फैमिली से आप कितना प्यार करते हैं? आपको पता है ना, आपकी फैमिली आपके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट फैमिली है. सो आप आज अपनी फैमिली के बारे में ही जानने वाले हैं. Insight, what is an insight? Change with time in our mother-child relationship, adoption, immediate and extended family, family gatherings, learning from the family. ये सब के बारे में आज आप जानने वाले हैं. Ready? Let's begin. Warm up. You were looking forward to an outing with our parents on a holiday, and you were planning to eat at a new restaurant and spend the day at a water park. However, some members of your extended family came to visit you. Your parents decided to stay back and spend time with them. What would you do in such a situation? Discuss this matter with your classmates. अब बताइए, आपने बहुत प्लानिंग की हुई है छुट्टियों पे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बाहर जाने की और न्यू रेस्टोरेंट में खाने की, एक वाटर पार्क में आप अपना दिन बिताने की प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं और सडनली घर पर फैमिली रिलेटिव्स आ जाते हैं. क्या करेंगे आप? एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली आ जाती हैं आपकी, क्या करेंगे? पेरेंट्स तो डिसाइड किया कि वो घर पर रहेंगे. आप क्या करेंगे इस सिचुएशन में? अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ डिस्कस करिएगा. अब मैं आपको फैमिली के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ. अ फैमिली, it is a group of people who are related to each other and live together. If we look at our own families, we will see the changes that have taken place over time. Some of our family members have grown older. Some new members would have been born and some of our elders would have left home to do another work. ये चेंजेस आपने देखे होंगे. कुछ नए पैदा हुए, कुछ बूढ़े हो गए, कुछ फैमिली को छोड़ के चले गए क्योंकि उन्हें घर को छोड़ के चले गए क्योंकि उन्हें दूसरा काम करना है. राइट? ये चेंजेस आपने देखे होंगे. Know how the International Day of Families is celebrated every year on 15th May. Find out who started it and why is it celebrated. Change with time in our mother. When we see the photographs of our parents and elders, at their young age, we became very curious to know about their habits, likes, dislikes, way of living, etc. For instance, in our family album, Mahika saw some photographs of her mother as a young girl. She was surprised to see how her mother has changed. क्योंकि पहले जब यंग एज में थी तो उन्होंने एल्बम में तो उनकी फ़ोटो देखी और उसे बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ कि मतलब अभी ऐसे कैसे चेंज हो गई मम्मा. Her father told her that everyone changes as they grow older. Many things about them change in one way or other. The way they look, the things they like, their habits, their way of dressing and even way of thinking. सब चेंज होता है टाइमली बच्चों. हम कैसे दिखते हैं, दिखने में, लुक में चेंजेस आ जाते हैं, हमारी हैबिट्स में चेंजेस आ जाते हैं, हमारे सोचने में चेंजेस आ जाते हैं, हमारी लाइकिंग और डिसलाइकिंग भी चेंज हो जाती है. When Mahika's mother was young, she was good in sports. She liked to do dance also. She did not like to do house chores. Over the years, her mother has changed a lot. She reads different kinds of books now. She loves cooking and knitting also. So ये धीरे धीरे चेंज हो गया ना. अब उनको कुछ और करना पसंद है. Know how? Has your mother ever told you about her childhood? Ask your mother to find out how the family has changed to her. कि उसके लिए फैमिली कैसे चेंज हो गई. How the family has changed for her. मदर चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. मदर चाइल्ड रिलेशनशिप. द ह्यूमन बेबी ग्रोज इनसाइड इट्स मदर्स वोम and a tube joins the baby, so its mother and carries oxygen, food and liquid from the mother's body to the baby. The mother can feel the baby moving inside, and after growing there about 9 months, the baby is ready to come out in this world. For mothers, after the baby is born, it cannot eat or drink. The baby depends only on its mother's milk. The baby is protected and taken care of by like parents. अब जब मम्मा के पेट में होता है तो क्या होता है, बच्चे की देखभाल कैसे होती है, तो मम्मा के बॉडी के थ्रू ही बेबी को सारा फूड पहुंचता है, जो भी लिक्विड या फूड या ऑक्सीजन जो है मम्मा के थ्रू ही पहुंचता है. और जब बच्चा 9 मंथ्स के बाद बाहर आता है तो क्या होता है, वो इस ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड में एक अच्छा बच्चा ग्रो होके बाहर निकल आता है, क्योंकि मम्मा उसे खाना पहुंचा रही होती है अपने द्वारा. अब वो जब बच्चा बोर्न होता है तो उसको ना पीने की ज़रूरत होती है ना खाने की ज़रूरत होती है. वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है, मॉम के. यस, मॉम भी फीड कराती है, मदर्स मिल्क पे डिपेंड रहता है. अडॉप्शन. देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फैमिलीज एंड सम चिल्ड्रन लिविंग विद पेरेंट्स हु दे आर बोर्न टू, एंड दीज पेरेंट्स आर नेचुरल पेरेंट्स, जिनके द्वारा वो पैदा किए गए हैं. एंड देयर आर ऑल्सो सम फैमिलीज हु अडॉप्ट अ चाइल्ड. दीज पेरेंट्स आर कॉल्ड अडॉप्टिव पेरेंट्स, जो बच्चे को अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं. कोई भी किसी से भी अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं, किसी परिवार से या किसी अनाथ आश्रम से, कहीं से भी. When a couple legally takes a child and raises him or her as their own, it is adoption and the child is called adopted child. Parents with their newborn baby, more than 60% of children in foster care spend 2 to 5 years in the system before being adopted. Almost 20% spend 5 or more years in foster care before being adopted. Some never get adopted. There are some families that take another person's child into their home without becoming the child's legal parents. Such children are called foster children. There can be many reasons why couples adopt children. Some adopt children because they can't have children of their own. Others adopt to give a home to the homeless child. बहुत सारे कारण हो सकते हैं. किसी बेगर को घर देना चाहते हैं, या फिर उन्हें बच्चे नहीं हो सकते इसलिए चाहते हैं. नो हाउ. Would you like if your parents adopted a child? क्या पसंद करेंगे and why? Immediate and extended family. The people live within our home are a part of our immediate family, right? जो हमारे साथ रहते हैं. If in this family there are only parents and their children, then this family is called nuclear family. Those members of our family who live separately are part of our extended family. If parental side members like grandparents, uncles, aunts live with us in the same house, then this family is called joint family. The maternal family includes members of mother's family, and paternal family includes members of father's family. Family gathering. We generally meet our extended family on occasions which may be happy or sad. We share our joys and sorrows with our relatives. For instance, Mahika is wearing a beautiful dress. Today is her birthday and her parents have decided to celebrate her birthday. They have invited their relatives and friends, and Mahika's maternal grandparents, Nana ji, Nani ji, have come from Gujarat. Mahika's uncle and aunt, Mosa ji and Mosi ji, and their children have come from Mumbai. Mahika's grandparents, Dadaji, Dadiji, and also very happy because their daughter is son-in-law, Damad, and have also arrived from Bhopal, जो कि उनकी बुआ जी हुई. There is a lot of excitement and happiness, and everybody is happy to meet each other. They have so much to share and talk about. अब सब लोग extended family के लोग, जो कि नाना नानी हैं, मौसा मौसी हैं, मामा मामी हैं, या फिर इधर चाचा चाची हैं, या बुआ जी हैं, अंकल हैं, तो वो सब इकट्ठे हुए. अब सब इकट्ठे होते हैं तो अपनी बातें भी शेयर करते हैं, एंजॉय भी करते हैं, मस्ती भी करते हैं, है ना. लर्निंग फ्रॉम द फैमिली. We learn many values from our families. These values stay with us all our lives and help us to lead a good life. Some of these values are helping each other. Mahika and her brother love to help at home, and they assist the family in looking after guests or tidying up the house. On special occasions, they join their parents in decorating the house. Mahika's grandparents also help them by buying groceries and vegetables or by watering the plants. तो जब हम एक घर में रहते हैं तो हमें किसी एक के ऊपर पूरा काम का बर्डन नहीं डालना चाहिए. अगर एक ही काम करेगा तो बीमार पड़ जाएगा. तो हम सबको अपना अपना काम डिवाइड करना चाहिए. जैसे कि लाइक ये लिखा गया है कि यहाँ पे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. ग्रोसरीज ला सकते हैं, वेजिटेबल्स ला सकते हैं, पौधों को पानी दे सकते हैं. आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, पेरेंट्स की हेल्प कैसे कर सकते हैं, राइट. ओके, चूजिंग प्रोफेशन. Mahika is very fond of uncle and aunt, and they are loving and affectionate. Her aunt yani Chachi ji is a South Indian from Tamil Nadu. Her aunt is an engineer and she is the first female engineer in the family. Mahika is very inspired from her aunt Neelam. So she also wants to be an engineer in future. Taking decision, Mahika likes the way her uncle, aunt and their children take decisions. They sit down at the table and everyone is given a chance to say what they feel. Then the best option is chosen, and for example, the parents of Mahika's aunt were not very happy when she decided to study engineering. They thought that she would find the course very tough. They also felt that she would not be able to live in the hostel in a different city. They thought that profession was more suitable for men. But her aunt Neelam believed that women are equally good at any kind of job. When Neelam's parents realized how confident and firm Neelam was, they agreed. Neelam's father took the final decision and supported her in her studies. So जब भी कभी decision होता है तो everybody should have chance. सबको चांस मिलना चाहिए अपनी बात बोलने का, और जहां हमें लगे कि यस ये बेस्ट डिसीजन है वहां हमें एग्री कर जाना चाहिए, राइट. ओके, चेक पॉइंट. Ask your grandparents and find out how family decisions were taken when they were young and compare this with your own family. How are things different today? Different traditions यानी संस्कार. Mahika's family distribute gifts to poor on every special occasion. So Mahika and her brother also help the poor people. Mahika she gave away all her old books to the poor children. They also see that when relatives and family members meet, their parents touch the feet of their elders and hugged each other. Here are few values that you learn: wishing your elders and paying them respect, looking after guests, participating in family gatherings, offering refreshment to a relative or friend when they visit, sharing worries and problems with elders, speaking softly and sweetly, taking the advice and guidance of elders. So ये सब चीज़ें आपको वैल्यूज़ अपनी फैमिली से मिलती हैं और आपको सीखनी चाहिए, राइट. The family, both immediate and extended, is a very important part of our lives. We try to meet each other regularly and maintain relationships. We must also try and respect family traditions and values. Know how? You learnt many things from your family, and what did you learn and from whom? Has anyone learnt anything from you? क्या किसी ने आपसे भी कुछ सीखा है? Now it's your turn. Exercises. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. यहाँ पे आपको एक सेंटेंस दिया गया है जिसके 4 ऑप्शंस आपको दिए गए हैं. चूज द करेक्ट वन. सेकेंड पॉइंट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद सुटेबल वर्ड. आपका ये सेंटेंस आपके चैप्टर में से लिया गया है. चेक कीजिए यहाँ पे क्या सुटेबल वर्ड आप दे सकते हैं जिससे सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो जाए. थर्ड पॉइंट, राइट T फॉर ट्रू एंड F फॉर फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. अगर आपकी स्टेटमेंट आपके चैप्टर बेस्ड है, रेलेवेंट है, तो आप इसको ट्रू लिखिए, अदरवाइज फॉल्स. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. You have to answer these questions in your notebook and check the detail in your chapter. Become a champ. Talk to 2 elderly persons, one from your family and one from a family in your neighborhood. Ask them these questions and fill in the table. Questions पूछिए और इन टेबल को कंप्लीट कीजिए. स्किल पार, इसमें आप ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग में आपके पास, ग्लोइंग माइंड में आपके पास एक्टिविटी दी गई है. इनको देखिए और कैसे आप इनको like why it is important, why is it important for an expecting mother to know eat well. And imagine you are watching your favorite cartoon serial when some guests arrive unexpectedly at the door. What would you do? So पता लगाइए. Okay, glowing mind. And do you think family traditions and customs are important? Can these traditions and values help to make society better? By promoting adoption, can we give homes to many homeless children? Is adoption a unique gift to the child only or also to the society? Why should people adopt children and discuss about? Activity. Collect pictures of your mother as a young girl and her recent pictures. Paste them on a chart paper. Write a short paragraph about how she has changed over the years. और ये सब पता लगाते हुए इंजॉय करिए बच्चों, हैव फन.